Most skincare products on the market contain endocrine disrupting chemicals, meaning they disrupt your hormone balance that can cause reproductive issues, weight gain, inability to lose weight, and a host of other ailments. Even common additives like synthetic fragrances or phthalates can cause serious health concerns over time. And that's why it's crucial to opt for products that are not only effective, but also safe. And so in this video, I'll share with you my top 6 non-toxic skincare brands that my wife and I have been using as part of our daily skincare routine. Now, if you don't know what endocrine disruptors are, how they work and why they are so problematic, check out my blog post on the topic. I'm going to link it down below so you can learn more, get a much better understanding of what you're exposing yourself to on a daily basis, most likely. I should also mention that I have discount codes for many of the products and brands mentioned in this video, so check it out. I'm also going to have all of that information down in the description. Now with that, let's get started. And I divided the brands that I mentioned in this video into 2 rough categories. One is best for anti-aging and the other one is best for everyday use. And that doesn't necessarily mean that the ones in the best for everyday use category cannot help your skin look younger and better and more radiant. But the one in the anti-aging category have been specifically designed and scientifically proven to reduce the visible and invisible signs of aging. And that's why the categorization. Now let's start with the best brands for anti-aging. And arguably my favorite is OneSkin. And OneSkin is all about cellular rejuvenation. They have a OS01 peptide that targets specifically senescent cells. And cell senescence is one of the hallmark signs of aging. It's like when dead cells, when damaged cells accumulate and then spoil the good cells in the area. Much like if you have a spoiled apple in a basket, it kind of tends to spoil the apples around it as well. And the OS1 peptide specifically targets those senescent cells to help the body get rid of them and to reduce cell senescence to start with. What I really like about OneSkin is that it's been scientifically proven, it's backed by solid scientific evidence, and it's a great choice if you're serious about anti-aging. Now, I have a fairly detailed review on OneSkin on my blog. I'm going to link it down below. I have also a YouTube video that shows the before and after pictures. They're quite dramatic of my skin. So you can clearly see with only a couple of weeks of using OneSkin how the appearance of my skin has changed. Now from a product lineup perspective, OneSkin offers a variety of products featuring the OS1 peptide for specifically the skin around your eyes, which is more sensitive and thinner than all of your other skin, your face, your body, and they even have a non-toxic sunscreen that we've been using whenever necessary. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you probably know that I'm not a huge fan of sunscreen, but there are cases where, going into the shade or covering up is unfortunately not an option, like at the beach, if you stay there for extended periods. And so the OneSkin sunscreen is one that we've been using especially when we're on vacation. From a pricing perspective, all the OneSkin products range somewhere from $54 for the sunscreen to $120 for the face lotion. Now, if you sign up for a subscription, you get a discount. I also have a dedicated discount. I'm going to link it down in the show notes to give you an extra discount. The good news is that most of the products last for quite some time, so they are not empty after 30 days of use. You can really stretch them. Some of the products that I've been using for several months and they're still not empty. But again, if you want to learn more about OneSkin and specifically how their OS01 peptide works, check out my dedicated blog post, link down below in the description. Number 2 is Young Goose, and Young Goose combines biohacking and skincare, which is pretty cool. And their products use NAD+ precursors to boost your skin's natural defenses and repair mechanisms. So it's all about supporting your skin's natural ability to heal and repair. And this means your skin gets more resilient and recovers faster from damage, from UV radiation, stress, poor sleep, all of the things, environmental toxins, all of the things that we expose ourselves to on a daily basis. So if you want to keep your skin looking youthful and healthy, Young Goose has got you covered. I've also done a before and after test with Young Goose with some of the products that they sent me. I'm going to link that blog post down below in the description, so check that out. It's also quite impressive how just a few weeks of using their products can make a significant change your skin's appearance. At least it, had on mine. Their product lineup includes serums, creams, and masks with those NAD plus precursors. Again, not to go into the weeds, but low NAD levels are a hallmark sign of aging. So by providing your body and your skin in particular with those NAD precursors, allowing your body to metabolize it into NAD, it can help slow down the visible and invisible signs of skin aging and reverse some of that aging and damage that you have incurred, just as part of living. The products from a pricing perspective range from $42 for lip balms, $200 for a firming neck and chest cream on the higher end. And then, obviously anything in between. Much like with OneSkin, their products last for a very long time. You can typically get several months out of use of each tub, per month. You can split it up over the course of several months, and it makes it really worthwhile, especially considering the effectiveness of those products. Now again, check out my review in the blog post to learn more and the description for a discount code. Now let's switch gears and talk about some of the products just for everyday use. They tend to be less expensive. Now those products tend to be just simpler, use simpler ingredients, but that doesn't mean they're any less effective. And the first one that I'd like to mention is Fero. Fero uses lard for its moisturizing and healing properties, going back to traditional skincare methods like, your grandma or grandmama would have likely used either butter or lard, on their skin as a moisturizer, because specifically the fat of pigs is very similar to human fat. And what Fero does is they raise their pigs regeneratively, meaning that those pigs have a much, much better fatty acid composition than a conventionally raised pig. And that makes their face creams in particular so useful and helpful to help your skin repair and rejuvenate. And specifically, all of their lard-based products are very rich in fatty acids and vitamins, which penetrate deeply to nourish and repair your skin. From a product lineup perspective, they have body balms, they have face creams, and soaps made from sustainably and regeneratively sourced lard. And I've been using the products. I really like it. I like the smell. They have, different varieties. You kind of smell a little bit like you put bacon on your face, because that's what it is really. But I really like it. And I've specifically noticed it absolutely prevents razor burn. So, typically when I shave, I get razor burn within a couple of hours. If I use the lard-based products right after shaving, I get zero razor burn. That's just an indication of how well those products work to help your skin repair. It's amazing. I love it. From a price range perspective, you pay anywhere from $12 for a soap to $95 for their lard-based body lotion, which comes in a jar and also lasts for a very long time. That lard really, because it's so fatty and it's not liquid, but it's not as hard as a tallow-based product maybe, but it really, applies easily. It's greasy, it's bacon fat at the end of the day, but it absorbs fairly quickly, it smells good, and it feels good on your skin. I really love it. The second one in the lineup is a brand called Mother Folk Care, not motherfucker, but very similar. You can read it here. Mother Folk Care uses tallow packed with vitamins A, D, E, and K for deep nourishment. And their products are all about simplicity, purity, and focusing on minimal ingredients to deliver maximum benefits. It's great for sensitive skin and perfect for maintaining skin healthy every day. I've been using the products for a while, really love it. I met actually the owner, Jennifer, at a trade show. She's an 18-year-old young woman who started the company from scratch. I think her daddy is supporting her a little bit. And I really like that family-based approach to simplicity, to delivering excellent, healthy products without any of the bells or whistles, without that 1,000 ingredients. I really like that. I've been using the products. They are tallow-based, so it's a little bit firmer, but it also applies easily. Really like it. I've been using the face product, as well as we've got some of the lip balms for the kids, as well as the body-based balm. Really love it. Smells good. I've unscented, I've scented, so depending on what you want, you get both. From a pricing perspective, there's price starting at $15 for the small body butter to $99 for the large. I think it's a 9-ounce jar. So reasonably priced for the quality that you're getting, and excellent product. Highly recommended. Next one, up is Nose to Tail. Now, I know Nose to Tail because they sell meat and turkey and stuff, but I also have a skincare or body care product. And Nose to Tail takes a holistic approach with the grass-fed tallow products. They are rich in essential fatty acids and vitamins, and their tallow supports your skin's natural barrier and hydration. Skin barrier is incredibly important because that's the thing that prevents stuff from getting through your skin that's not supposed to be getting through. So by strengthening the skin barrier with the natural tallow products, your skin is healthier, more robust, and more resilient. Nose to Tail is also big on sustainability and ethical farming, regenerative farming, and that makes their products great for your skin and the planet. And they have actually a fairly broad lineup. I've been using their lip balm, their hair product, which is great because I don't like regular gel, which is also full of toxins. I've been using their regular, skin-based product. I've been using their deodorant for a very long time because most deodorants are also highly toxic, especially the ones that contain aluminum and some of the other chemicals that you do not want to have under your armpits. And so I've been using that product. Really love it. Take it everywhere I go. They have just a ton of different, very high quality, non-toxic products that are worth checking out. From a pricing perspective, you can pay anywhere from $5.50 for the lip balm to $65 for the 2-ounce creams. So again, high quality, reasonably priced, I think. One of my favorite brands. The last one here in the lineup is a little bit different because so far we've covered a lot of animal-based products with lard and tallow. Check Fur is different. It's all about plant-based skincare for eco-conscious man. So it's very much targeting man, healthy cowboy, so to say. And their products are made from high-quality botanical ingredients, which are gentle yet effective. So if you're looking for a vegan skincare that soothes and nourishes without harsh chemicals, Check Fur is a solid choice. Now, if you've been following me, you probably know that I'm not a huge fan of anything vegan or plant-based, at least not from a dietary perspective. But from a botanical skincare perspective, I very much see the benefits of using plant-based ingredients. And so Check Fur is a great product as well, especially if you're leaning towards the plant-based side. The lineup includes shaving creams, moisturizer, and cleansers made from high-quality botanical ingredients. Pricing-wise, they're actually very reasonably priced, ranging from $36 for shaving creams to $46 for daily moisturizers. So there you have it. That's the overview of my favorite non-toxic skincare brands. Again, OneSkin and Young Goose, great top picks for anti-aging. They use advanced ingredients and science to keep skin looking fresh and youthful. Pharaoh, Mother Folk Care, and Nose to Tail offer traditional, nutrient-rich skincare with lard and tallow, perfect for everyday use and everyday nourishment. And Check Fur provides plant-based options for those who prefer, vegan products. There you have it. Those are the 6 non-toxic skincare products you can find in our bathroom. Now go and grab one of your favorite products you have at home, turn it around and read the label. Take note of all the ingredients you're not familiar with and you cannot pronounce. And chances are at least some of them are highly toxic. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support helps me make more videos. I see you in the next video, hopefully.